Hey guys, wanted to make a video on a Nintendo Switch. This might help a lot of y'all guys, because it seems that you couldn't find the reason for this code. The code error is 21530321, and if you have this error, you know that the Nintendo Switch only works when you have earphones plugged in. As you can see, like right now, let me try to boot it up for y'all. Just see. Look, you try to boot up the Nintendo Switch, it would not work. Oh. You guys see the boot up screen? You hear a hissing sound. I don't know if you can hear that, but it makes a hissing sound. Then this is the error code you get, and it won't let you boot up the Nintendo Switch no matter what. I tried to do the recovery mode. All the way it'll work if you plug headphones in. You plug the Nintendo Switch headphones in, you reboot it again, turn it on and off. As you can see, it's gonna boot up this time. It still makes a hissing sound. So you see, this time I booted up, but you can't hear anything. You can only hear it on the phone, through the headphones technically. But let me show you. As right as you unplug it, it'll like show the error code. As you can see that. And I've been looking on 4chan and on Reddit and stuff to try to see if people know how to fix this problem. Apparently, I still don't know how to fix this. I made this video just to help y'all guys out. So if y'all want to like fix your Nintendo Switch, has this error code. Yeah. So I've been looking on Nintendo Switch website error codes. I found this error code, but it didn't show. It just says send it to repair shop, right? I found out why it shows the error code. It has to do with the speakers. The reason it shows this error code because you can hear sound through the Nintendo Switch, which it boot up perfectly. Once you try to unplug them, as you can tell, it shows this error code. This has happened because the Nintendo Switch is trying to use the speakers on the back, right? But it can't find them, so it can't find them, or like it can't detect them, or like it just like they might have been disconnected, or they're just not working properly. It will show this code immediately. But as you can see, when I plug the headphones in, it works. And in this case, all you have to do is like, if you got it messed up, then you might need new speakers. But mine just got dropped, and all you need to do is just give it a few whacks, because something might have disconnected in the back, and as you can see, this will work. Let me try that. See, that made it work. I'm gonna open mine. I'm gonna update y'all guys when I open it up and connect the speakers in there, because I ordered some parts so I can connect this, so you can see it works. So now I'll just give a few taps. But as you can see, when I bang, you see how look, I'm gonna bang it. You're gonna see it's gonna show the error code. Look, as you can see, it boots up perfectly now. You can hear sound through it and everything. But as you're gonna tell, when I bang it, it's gonna disconnect from me. And this will give you notification. No, bang it. As you can see, it does this code. So yeah, I just wanted to help you out, guys. It's just simply just because the speakers there, the Nintendo Switch couldn't reach the speakers in the back because either it got disconnected or they're not working properly. So it only works with the headphones. Yeah, I don't think y'all guys want to open it up and see what the problem is with the speakers and connect them. I feel like it's just a loose connector because I did drop this console. But yeah, this is the error code, but this is how you fix it. You can just give it a few bangs in the back and it should work. But if not, it's just probably your speakers.